Jacob, are you singing too? Let's sing. Gentle. Jacob, is that your friend George? Are you getting a little tired maybe?
Daddy! 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 Daddy!
George, can you sing some more for me, please? Jacob, don't step on the book, please. We treat the books very nicely in this house. Can you be nice to the book, please? Please? Mr. George, can I hear another song? Jacob, come here. Bring the book here. Bring the book here, love. Can you bring the book here? Can we all read the book, please? Can you show George where the doggy is? And the crocodile? Show it to George. Yeah? Where is it? George, what are you doing, sweetie? Bye-bye, George. Boink. George, where is the crocodile? Jacob, where is the crocodile? How does the crocodile do? What do you do if you see a crocodile? Do you scream? Ah! Scream, Jacob. That's right. Bye-bye.
Daddy!
Doggy.